Tie to 260 balloons together. Make a pinch twist. Twist a 3-finger bubble. Make a pinch twist. Twist a 4-finger wide bubble. Make another pinch twist. Twist a 3-finger wide bubble. Make the last pinch twist. Twist a 4-finger wide bubble. Make a pinch twist. Make another 4-finger wide bubble. Wrap it around the golden pinch twist. Twist a 5-finger wide bubble. Make a double pinch twist. Twist another 5-finger bubble and wrap it around the golden pinch twist. Twist the last set, but make the bubbles 4 fingers wide. Arrange them neatly, making sure all pinch twists stand upright facing forward. Adjust the length to fit your head. Make to 3-finger wide bubbles. Wrap them around the double pinch twist. Inflate another gold 260 balloon and wrap the nozzle around the outermost blue pinch twist. Twist 3 small 2-finger bubbles. Wrap it around the double pinch twist. Loop it around the green gem and then wrap it around the double pinch twist. Twist another 3 small 2-finger bubbles. Your gem crown is ready.